The next topic in our course is about loops inside TypeScript. What we're going to see is how we can use while loop. We're going to see different structure with do while. After that, we're going to step with for in, and for up loops. To the end, we're going to review nested loops. First, let's remind what was a loop. So, loop is a control statement that allows us to repeat execution of block of statements. It may execute a code block fixed number of times or while given condition holds. The other option is to execute it through each member inside some collection. Loops that never end are called infinite loops. So, how we can use while loop? Here an example. I got var counter number is equal to 0. So I have variable from type from type number with name counter which is equal to 0. Then I have variable from type string with the message. And here what I'm saying. While open and close here the bracket, and here I need to place some condition. So while counter is less than 10, then open curly brace, close it here, and here enter the code that which will be executed while this condition is true. So while counter is less than 10, what I'm doing? I'm saying that the message is equal to count and here making string interpolation. So I'm saying count, for example, with the value of current counter, let's say 5. Then I log it and I just increase counter with 1. Counter plus plus is syntax which is exactly the same as saying counter is equal to counter plus 1. So this is the same as counter plus plus, just the syntax is a little bit shorter and better. So once again, for while, it will execute while this condition is true, and here with each time, with each iteration, we increase to 1. So at some point, it won't be because counter will become 10, and then 10 is actually not less than 10. And then when this comes, here we're going to receive false, and we'll no more iterate, and we'll jump here out of the loop. For while we have opening and closing bracket, and here we place our condition then with opening and closing curly braces. We are surrounding our code block to be executed on each iteration.